Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fellow industry experts. It's with great enthusiasm that I present to you today on the subject of AI-driven productivity enhancements in enterprise engineering. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in technology, AI is fundamentally reshaping the ways in which we approach complex engineering tasks. Today, I will dive deep into how AI technologies, specifically in the domains of automation, predictive analytics, and personalization, are not only enhancing the productivity but also paving the way for future advancements. We'll explore the technical intricacies of these AI applications and consider their long term impact on enterprise engineering. We will cover these. So, overview of AI in enterprise engineering. In recent years, AI has transitioned from a theoretical concept to practically pretty much indispensable tool in enterprise engineering. AI's ability to process large volumes of data, identify patterns, and generate actionable insight has led to unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. However, the technical foundation of AI's impact lies in the core competencies, the machine learning, algorithms, and NLP, and the neural networks. These technologies enable AI to perform tasks that were previously deemed impossible or too time consuming for humans. In this section, we will explore how these technologies work and their specific applications in the enterprise environments. Automation and cost reductions. One of the most transformative applications of AI is in enterprise engineering is the automation of repetitive tasks. These tasks, which include data entry, scheduling, report generation, are often time consuming and prone to human error. AI automates these processes by using advanced machine learning models and robotic processes automation, RPA. These tools are designed to mimic human actions in software applications, ensuring that tasks are completed with precision and consistency. For example, RPA can automate the extraction of data from invoices, reducing manual errors and speeding up the processing time. One of the case studies we did had demonstrated 35% introduction in manual data entry cost after implementing AI-driven solution. Technically, it involved an integrations of CNN, the convolutional neural network for image recognition, and then NLP algorithms to understand and process the image into text data. Analytics and decision making. Predictive analytics is another area where AI has made considerable strides in enterprise engineering. By leveraging historical data and ML algorithms, can identify patterns and predict future outcomes with remarkable accuracy. The technical backbone of predictive analytics includes regression analysis, time series forecasting, and classification algorithms. For instance, linear regression models can be used to predict sales trends based in historical sales data and external factors such as market conditions. Companies that implemented a predictive analytics solution that utilize a recurrent neural network for time series forecasting, leading to a 25% improvement in forecast accuracy. This level of precision not only enhances decision making, but also allows organization to proactively address potential challenges before they arise. Now, personalized customer experience is something is I am a big proponent. AI's ability to personalize customer experience is driven by its capacity to analyze vast amounts of customer data in real time. This involves use of recommendation engines, which are typically powered by collaborative filtering algorithms and content based filtering techniques. These engines analyze user behavior, preferences, and interactions to recommend products and services tailored to individual needs. For instance, a retailer implemented an AI driven personalization strategy that used a hybrid recommendation system, combining collaborative filtering with deep learning models to provide more accurate and personalized recommendations. Real world application of AI in enterprise engineering offer valuable insights into the technology impact. In one case study, a company integrated AI into its operations, reducing the processing time for routine tasks by 50%. This was achieved through deployment of AI-powered enterprise resource planning system that utilize machine learning to optimize workflows and allocate resources more efficiently. In another example, a company saw a 35% improvement in overall operational efficiency by integrating AI into the supply chain. This involved the use of AI algorithms to optimize inventory levels, predict demand, manage logistics in real time. These case studies highlight the technical challenges and solutions involved in AI integration, including the need for robust data infrastructure, scalable machine learning models, and effective change management strategies. Challenges in AI deployment. Although AI has tremendous potential, its deployment is not without challenges. Ethical concerns such as bias in AI algorithms are among the pressing issues. Ensuring that AI systems are transparent, fair, and accountable requires careful consideration of data used to train these systems. From technical standpoint, these involves implementing fairness aware machine learning techniques such as adversarial debiasing when can which can mitigate bias by adjusting the algorithm learning process. Additionally, data privacy is of critical concern as well, particularly with the advent of regulations, especially high bar regulations in Europe and United States. To address this, organization must establish a comprehensive data governance frameworks that include encryption, anonymization, and access controls. Workforce adoption is another significant challenge, as adoption of AI often requires employees to acquire new skills. Organizations must invest in continuous learning programs and provide training in AI related technologies to ensure a smooth transition. Some of the strategies for mitigating these challenges with AI deployment can be employed. Ethical AI is paramount, and this involves developing and enforcing guidelines that promote fairness and transparency in AI systems. From technical perspective, this includes implementing explainable AI techniques which make the decision-making process of AI models more transparent. Data security is another critical area, and establishing a robust data governance framework is essential. This framework should include the use of encryption protocols such as AE256 to protect sensitive data, as well as secure multi-party computation to enable computations on encrypted data without compromising privacy. Workforce development is also crucial, and organizations should invest in AI training programs that focus on both the theoretical aspects of AI and practical application, such as use of AI development frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow. Finally, the effective change management is necessary to ensure that AI technologies are integrated smoothly into existing workflows. This involves creating structured transition plans that addresses potential disruptions and provides support to employees throughout the integration process. Looking at the future to 2030, AI is expected to continue to its rapid evolution, driving productivity growth across industries by as much as 2% per year. The key to this growth lies in the ongoing advancements in AI technologies, particularly in areas of deep learning, reinforcement learning, and quantum computing. For instance, the development of quantum AI could revolutionize enterprise engineering by enabling the processing of complex data sets at unprecedented speeds. Additionally, the strategic integration of AI into core business processes will be critical for sustained success. This will involve embedding AI into every aspect of the business, from product development to customer service, and ensuring that AI systems are continuously updated and optimized. The future of enterprise engineering is bright. Those organizations that proactively embrace AI will be well positioned to lead the years to come. In conclusion, AI is transforming enterprise engineering in profound ways, offering unprecedented opportunities for productivity enhancements and innovation. However, to fully realize these benefits, organizations must approach AI deployment with a strong focus on ethics, data security, and workforce development. By doing so, they can ensure that AI technologies are not only effective but also aligned with broader societal goals. As we move forward towards 2030, the continued evolution of AI promises to unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity, making it indispensable tool in the modern business landscape. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward for our discussions on how we can continue to drive innovation through AI. Thank you for your time and engagement. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and questions on the topics we discussed today. Together, we can explore the future of AI in enterprise engineering and work towards a more productive and innovative industry.